The hold error on your Spectrum cable box signifies a system freeze or interruption, preventing normal operation. Think of it as the box getting stuck. It usually appears as a static message on your TV screen, indicating unresponsiveness. This commonly occurs on older Spectrum receiver models. The error typically stems from a communication breakdown between the cable box, the incoming cable signal, and your TV. This could be due to weak signal strength, software glitches in the box's firmware, hardware faults, or even power and connectivity issues. This can be resolved in most cases. For example, you might see an error message on your TV prompting you to connect to Spectrum Internet, as shown here. The cable box itself is a black device with buttons and the Spectrum logo. Connections between devices, like HDMI cables, are important for proper operation. If you encounter the hold error on your Spectrum cable box, here are the troubleshooting steps to clear it. First, try a simple power cycle. Unplug the cable box from the power outlet for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This often clears temporary glitches. Next, ensure all cable connections are secure, including the coaxial cable and HDMI connector. Check your signal strength via the box's menu: Settings, Support, Signal Info. Contact Spectrum if it's weak. If the issue persists, use the Spectrum Customer Support app, which has AI diagnostics for remote resets. As a last resort, perform a factory reset by holding the power and menu buttons for 10 seconds. Use this only if needed to avoid data loss. If none of these steps work, contact Spectrum Support for assistance, as it could indicate a hardware issue requiring replacement.